Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell whenever I upload a new video. Guys, I'm going to be going to the market. I've been craving for fried rice. I've never made fried rice before, but I'm going to be making fried rice today, my own type of fried rice. So follow me with yours as we go to the market. I'm on the way to the market to get the things I'll use for the fried rice. Let's go together. This fried rice will be very delicious. So I'm going to the market to get the things I'll use for the fried rice. Remember, it's Easter. Guys, I went to the market. Things are so expensive. So I told the guy to give me carrots. I bought carrots because I wanted to make small fried rice. I bought 500 naira carrot. And I was asking him for the green pepper. The green pepper is so expensive. I priced, but he refused. He said that small green pepper, one of it is 1,000. And I said no. After much pricing it, he sold it for me for 700 naira. So I decided to buy two. So I bought two green peppers. So I bought the green pepper, and I've already bought other things I'm going to use for the fried rice before now. So this is the green pepper. He's putting it for me. So guys, things are expensive. Anytime is a festive season in Nigeria, things are really expensive. Guys, I'm at home now. I've prepped all the things I'm going to use for the fried rice. This is my carrots. This is my green pepper and yellow pepper. This is my onions that I'm going to use. I'm not going to use much ingredient. This is my curry powder. And this is my rice that I'll parboil. This is also my meat. I'm going to use meat. I just bought small meat that I'm going to use for the fried rice. I'm using meat for mine. Look at the meat. And this is also onions and Maggi and salt. Those are the things I'm going to use for the fried rice. Follow me with your eyes as we cook. So the first thing I did was to first of all boil the meat. I washed the meat. I boiled it because I wanted to fry it. So I boiled it. I put salt, put all the ingredients for the meat. Inside, I put onions, put salt, put Maggi inside the meat so that it will cook very well. It will cook very well and to have a very good taste. So look at me putting salt inside the meat so that it will be very tasty when I'm eating it. So after then, I took pepper. Watch me as I put the pepper. I'm going to put pepper inside. Look at my pepper. I'm going to put it inside the meat. Guys, if I don't put pepper inside something, I might throw up. Because me, I grew up in Yoruba land where they really like pepper. So anything I'm cooking, I must put pepper, or else, hey, I'm going to throw up. So I've put pepper inside the meat. And I'm ready to cook. So I left the meat for a while to boil. Then after then, I took my rice. I'm going to wash the rice and parboil the rice a little. Some people actually do their own in different ways. So do the one that works for you. Some people will boil hot water and pour it into the rice. But me, I want to parboil my rice a little. So I'm going to parboil it a little for it to boil before I start cooking. So watch me as I parboil. So I'm going to put the rice on fire and allow it to get a little bit hot. Parboiling it. Are you watching? Guys, watch me as I parboil the rice. Rice, eh? Hey, guys, this fried rice will be very sweet. It's long I've eaten fried rice. Guys, are very, very long. So I said today, I must eat it too. Whether it's rich fried rice or not rich fried rice, I'm going to eat fried rice. So guys, do the one that works for you. The ingredient I use is not a lot. So you can do your own the way you like it, depending on you. So I'm doing my own the way I like it. I'm going to put the ingredients, the things I use in the description box. Do well to go there and use. So I want to fry the meat. I've finished cooking the meat. I'm going to fry the meat so that when I'm eating it, it will be very crunchy and sweet. So watch me as I fry the meat. I'll put oil inside the pot. Then after then, I will then put onions inside the oil. So that as I'm frying the meat, it will have good aroma. Watch me as I fry. Then after then, I will then wait for it to get hot a little. I'll wait for the oil and the onions to get hot a little before I start frying. guys. So I'm going to start frying now. Guys, look at me. I'm putting the meat into the oil so that it should fry. So I want it to fry very well. Me, I like eating meat too that is very fried, that I've fried when I'm eating fried rice. I don't like cooked meat. So do the one that works for you, okay? You can use cooked meat or you can use fried meat. But me, I like fried meat. So I'm going to use fried meat for my own. So I will leave it for a while to fry very well. I want it to be very, I want the oil to go around very well and make the meat to be a little bit brown before I bring it out. So let's watch as the meat is frying. Then after then, I'm going to then come and wash the parboiled rice. Watch me as I wash. I'm going to wash the parboiled rice and keep it aside so that when I'm cooking it will be easy. So trying to get things that I've used to wash the rice. Watch me, guys, as I wash the rice. Wow. And this rice is just 3 cups. So I'm going to cook it and remain some for tomorrow and next tomorrow. Guys, watch me. So the meat is still on fire, it's still cooking. And okay, I want to check the meat if it's okay for me to bring it out. So watch me. I'm trying to check the meat. I don't want it to get burned down underneath. So I'm checking the meat. Checking it very well. So after then, if the meat is okay, then I will then start bringing the meat out of the fire, out of the oil. Can you see? I think it's okay. So I've started bringing it out. So I finished frying. So I'm bringing the meat out so I can keep it aside, so I can do other things. My fried rice will be very sweet. Sweet fried rice, I love it. Sweet fried rice, I love it. Guys, this fried rice will be very sweet too. And why I like it is that I didn't use much ingredient to, but it will be very sweet. Just watch and see. So I finished frying the meat. I've kept it aside. So I'm going to do the next thing now. Follow me with your eyes as I do the next thing. So I'm still washing the parboiled rice. I'm going to wash it very well and keep it aside so that when I'm cooking, it will be easy for me. Watch me as I wash the rice. So guys, you can do the one that works for you. Some people used to use hot water to wash their rice. They'll just use water and pour the rice. But me, I like parboiling my own. Everybody with their own method. Anyone that works for you, do. This is my own method. Okay, guys. So I'm still washing the parboiled rice. Watch me as I wash. I want to wash it very well. After then, I will start frying. I'm going to fry my carrots in the oil. Watch me. I'm going to fry the ingredients I'll use for the fried rice. Remember, I have oil in that pot before, so I'm just going to put the carrots, and I'll put the green pepper and yellow pepper with the carrots. Watch me as I fry. I'm going to mix them together very well inside the oil. Watch me as I mix. I'm mixing it so that everything will go around together. And after then, I'll then take my curry powder. I'll pour it inside and mix. I'll stir it very well so that everything goes around very well. I'm going to put more curry powder. Guys, you can do your own the way you want to. I use carrot, green pepper, and yellow pepper. I didn't put other ingredients because that's how I like my own. So you can do your own the way you want. You can put other ingredients of your choice. Then this is my fried rice sauce. I bought it from the market. I'm going to wait a little. I'm not going to put it yet. So I'm going to also put onions. That's how I want my own. I'll put onions and I'll stir. Put more curry powder and I'll stir. I'll allow it to boil for a while, but I don't keep it for too long so that all the nutrients in the veggies will not die. So I'll keep it in the fire for a while and I'll take it down. Remember, these veggies, the carrots, the green pepper, they all have nutrients they give to our body. So I'll not keep it in the fire for too long. Now I'm okay with it. I've off the fire. So it's time for me to start cooking. Watch me as I mix the rice with the veggies I've fried. The fried rice veggies. So the rice, watch me. I want to start. Remember, the rice is inside the pot already. I've already washed it. I've parboiled this. I'm going to put the veggies inside the rice and start mixing. Remember, I fried the veggies and all the things I'll use for the fried rice. The fried rice ingredients. I'm going to pour it inside the parboiled rice and start mixing. Watch me as I do that. I've already fried the ingredients. I'm going to put it inside the parboiled rice and mix it very well to get a tasty fried rice. Very delicious, guys. This thing will be tantalizing. Guys, let's see. I'm going to mix it very well. Are you watching? Are you all watching? I'll mix it so well so that all the ingredients will go around the rice. I'm still mixing. I'm done mixing. So I've off the fire. So I'm going to get other ingredients I'm going to put in. I'm going to now put the fried rice sauce I bought. I'm mixing the fried rice sauce with the parboiled rice and other ingredients that I'm using for the fried rice. And also I'm going to put Maggi so that it will have taste. Without Maggi, the food will not be sweet though. Guys, I'm going to put Maggi so it will have taste. Mix it very well. Watch me as I mix. Guys, you need to check out though. I'm going to mix it I'm going to put salt for taste. I'm going to mix. My fried rice is almost ready. Wow, guys, my fried rice is ready. Look at my fried rice.